This is Battlbox Mission 84 unboxing. Unfortunately, I made a video and the sound didn't come out, so the box is actually open and I have seen the items inside, but haven't used them yet. So this is the third tier, the Battlbox Mission 84, and this is going to be the Pro. So it's not include the knife at the end that comes in the Pro Plus box. Well, let's get started with your the basic box. And so the very first item is the Klymit seat. Very helpful item for anybody that needs to go to a stadium or a sporting event or something. If you need that little extra cushion in your bum, it's got a really nice wide seat and really comfortable to sit on. The next item that's in the box would be the patch repair kit. When you have a tear in your outdoor gear and you need to put that back in place, these work really, really well. One of the things that I have found that work better is to make sure that the edges don't have a squared off end, and so if you round those off a little bit, they seem to stick and stay on a lot longer than if you have straight rectangle or square patches. All right. The next item in the box at the basic level is going to be your Foxedge Olea, O-L-E-A. Nice wood handle. Comes out in your regular straight blade. Pretty standard kind of knife with your lock and a little belt clip on the end there. As far as the advanced box, we get into the next item here, which is the Liteband 210 degree light. So this is a really cool light. Fits really nice, would fit really nice on a helmet. It has the battery pack that's rechargeable that goes in there. And so, yeah, I'm real excited about using this. And then at the Pro Box level, you're getting the 511 Neck Gaiter, right? I can imagine that now that the pandemic is winding down, we had a whole lot of these available, and so making them part of box kits that come out is going to probably happen a lot more. All right. And so all the 511 gear is pretty solid stuff. Leave that for later. And the other item at this level, at the Pro Box level, is the Zippo portable heater, rechargeable hand warmer. You can also use this to recharge your phone or something out on the go. So this has heating on one or both sides. If you heat just the one side, provides heat up to 9 hours with a full charge. And so, yeah, this is pretty cool. Put that in your pocket and have a portable hand warmer. At the Pro Plus level, they were putting out the Lord & Field Tommy knife, straight blade knife. I did not get that this time. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the Battlebox Mission 84. Has several very useful items in that. I think my favorite item is going to be the Liteband. It's going to be one of my favorite items out of this kit. And the other item that I will probably use quite extensively will be the V-seat. And yeah, both of those items are very useful to me in what's going on. Appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.